Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Al from the Palestinian schools in Doha, Qatar. Today I will explain for you Unit 15 Grammar. Our grammar lesson today will be how to express your intentions and promises. Exercise 1, page 44. Listen and read, then complete the rule. Now I want you to read and listen carefully so that you can get the lesson's rule. Are you ready?
I love that dress. I'm going to buy it.
I want to learn to embroider. I intend to ask my grandmother to teach me. I'm going to visit my grandmother on Friday.
And I intend to go with you.
Now I'm going to play the audio again. Listen and focus at the underlined words.
I love that dress. I'm going to buy it.
I want to learn to embroider. I intend to ask my grandmother to teach me. I'm going to visit my grandmother on Friday.
And I intend to go with you.
Look carefully at the underlined words. Going to and intend to. Okay, you can notice clearly here that we either use going to or intend to express our intentions, right? Okay, let's now complete the sentence below. When we are sure we want to do something, we use going to or intend to plus a verb. Anytime you want to express something in your mind, to talk about a plan, you either use going to or intend to plus a verb. Is it clear? Here are some more examples. Remember that when we want to express our intentions, we use going to or intend to plus a verb. Going to or intend to plus a verb. Let's see these examples one by one. The first example, this summer I am going to travel to London. Notice here, going to plus a verb. The verb is travel. I am going to buy a new jacket. Here again, going to and the verb is buy. I intended to telephone you, but I completely forgot. Intended to plus a verb. The verb here is telephone. Layla is going to buy a gift for her sister. Going to and the verb buy. I never intended to hurt anybody. Intended to plus hurt. The verb here is hurt. Exercise 2, page 44. In this exercise, I want you to think of 5 things you are going to do, to see, to buy, or whatever. But remember, my students, that each time you write a sentence talking about your intention, you need to use either going to or intend to plus a verb. It is an easy exercise. You can go back to exercise number 1 and to the list of examples which I gave to you to help you doing this exercise. Easy, right? Okay, start. Exercise 3. Work in pairs. Tell each other your intentions. In exercise 2, you wrote 5 sentences talking about your intentions. Now it is time to talk about these intentions. Don't forget to use the verbs going to and the verb intend to in addition to a verb so that you can make correct sentences. As in exercise 2, and you need to use intend to or going to plus a verb. Try to find a partner, either a friend or a relative like your brother or sister, and speak with him. Exercise 4. Listen and read. Do you know the word promise? Promise means that you will definitely do something or that something will definitely happen. Look at the picture. What can you see? A woman expressing her feeling about embroidered dress, and her husband is promising to buy her one. I will play the audio now. Listen and repeat. Are you ready?
I love embroidered dresses.
I promise to buy one for you.
Again, I will play it for the second time.
I love embroidered dresses.
I promise to buy one for you.
Exercise 5, page 44. Work in pairs. Ask and answer the questions. Let's read the questions together. Has anyone promised to buy or do anything for you? What have you promised to do for other people? What did they promise to buy or do? Did you keep your promises? Did they keep their promises? Now practice asking and answering these questions with a friend or with a relative. Finally, let's revise our grammatical rules. Grammar, intentions, and premises. For intentions, use going to or intend to plus a verb. Going to or intend to plus a verb. For premises, use promise to plus a verb. I hope that you had understood the lesson and see you in a new lesson soon. Have a nice time. Thank you very much. Teacher Ahmed Ajghami was with you. I hope that you understood everything and enjoyed the lesson. See you in the next lesson.